Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Today I'm going to start chapter number 7, financial arithmetic. So before start the chapter, I'm going to revise some formulas that we will use in this exercise or in this chapter. So today we will solve exercise 7a. So in the beginning of the chapter I want to explain some formula. So better before start the exercise of this chapter, you people must know or you people must learn about these formulas. So there are some terms that we use in this chapter. First I will explain that term and then we will start the exercise. So first term that we use here is SP. SP means sale price. So I will use SP as at the place of sale price. Then CP mean cost price. Cost price at which you purchase anything. Sale price, a price at which you sell anything. Then you know profit, when you get the profit. When sale price subtract from cost price. So when your sale price is bigger than cost price and you subtract from the sale price cost price, then you get the profit. Then the next formula is profit percentage. Profit percentage you can get if we say find profit percentage, that is P for profit. So P is for profit. So P over cost price multiplied by 100%. So that is the profit percentage. Similarly, you can sell anything at loss also. So loss, in the loss, sale price is less than cost price. So the formula is cost price minus sale price. So there is a difference in profit and loss. In the profit we subtract sale price minus cost price. In the loss we subtract sale price from the cost price. Then loss can be written as L. So we can write it as loss percentage. Loss percentage is loss over cost price multiplied by 100%. So that is a loss percentage formula. Now the main and important formula which I am going to tell you, I make a shortcut of this formula. So if you learn this formula, so then you feel very comfortable in the exercise solution. So first is, if you want to sell price when cost price is given and profit is given, then the formula is 100 plus profit percentage over 100. When you want to find sale price when loss is given and cost price is given, then the formula is 100 minus loss percentage over 100. So if you learn these two formula, when profit will come, then plus sign is there. When loss will come, then minus sign is given. Remember this. Now the second formula, if you want to find cost price and sale price is given with profit, then the formula is 100 go up and 100 plus profit percentage. So same formula, just you have to turn this, take the reciprocal of this fraction. Then cost price you want to find, then the sale price multiplied by 100 over 100 minus loss. So 100 minus loss percentage. So same formula, when loss will come we will put minus sign, when profit will come we will put plus sign. So before start this chapter, you have to write all these formula on a page and learn this. Then you are able to understand all the question. There is no problem in the question. So now I am going to start exercise 7a. Now exercise 7a, first question I am going to solve. A man purchased a dozen pen for 25 each. You know dozen mean 12 pen. So you can write dozen or 12. It's both are same. So I am going to write at the place of dozen 12 pen. So a man purchased a dozen pen at a rupees of 25 each. So you have to write this because he purchased. So this is a cost price of 12 pens. That is equal to 12 multiply each is 25. So your answer is 300 rupees. And he sell each at rupees of 28. So now we will find sale price. So right here sale price of 12 pens. That is 12 multiplied by 28. So its answer is 336 rupees. Now the question is find the total profit. So first we will find profit. Profit formula we just learned. Profit formula is sale price minus cost price. So sale price is 336, cost price is 300. So you will get the profit, that is 36 rupees. That is your profit. Now the next part of this question is as well as profit percentage. Now he say find profit percentage. Profit percentage formula is profit over cost price multiplied by 100%. We just write that formula. So profit we just got is 36. Cost price is here given 300. So I am going to write 300 at that place multiplied by 100%. So you can use the calculator to get the answer. So answer is 12%. Answer is 12%. That is the answer. Now question number 2 I am going to start. A man buy eggs at rupees 9.60 per dozen. Dozen means same. Just we learn that doesn't mean 12 eggs. So you have to write cost price of 12 eggs is equal to 9.60. Now first we will find cost price of one egg. Cost price of one egg. So if you want to find cost price of one egg, total price divided by 12 because we purchase at 12 rupees. That answer is 0.8 rupees. This is the price of one egg. Now question is and sell 20 eggs for 18. Now he want to sell 20 eggs. He sell 20 eggs. So first we will find cost price of 20 eggs. 20 eggs. So cost price mean 20 multiply 1 egg is 0.8. So when you multiply 20 multiply by 0.8 you get the answer 16. So its cost price is 16. Now in the given question given is the sale price of 20 eggs. Sale price of 20 eggs is 18 rupees. He say how much profit or loss percentage he gets. So clearly you can see its cost price is 16, its sale price is 18, he get the profit. So you can find profit. Formula is sale price minus cost price. Sale price is 18, cost price is 16. So 2 rupees he get the profit. Now in the question he say find profit percentage. So we have a formula, profit percentage is equal to profit over cost price multiplied by 100%. So here we have a profit 2 over cost price is 16 multiplied by 100%. So you get the answer, that is 12.5%. That is the answer of this question. Now question number 3 is very easy. Arslan bought a plot of land for rupees 1,08,000. So bought mean this is a sale cost price. So cost price of plot is 1,08,000 rupees. 1,08,000 rupees, and sold it for profit of 20%. So he has a profit of 20%. The question is, at what price did he sell it? So we need sale price in this question. So I just write the formula in the beginning. First I am going to write sale price. We want to find when profit is given. That formula is cost price multiplied by 100 plus profit percentage over 100. So cost price is 1,08,000 multiplied by 100 plus profit is 20%, because it is already in percent, so no need to write percent, just write 20. So 1,08,000 multiplied by 120 over 100. So use the calculator, you will get the answer is 1,29,600 rupees. That is the final answer of this question.